3 tricks to make girls being naughty in front of you. Have you ever wondered how to make a girl act more daring in front of you? Just like how we guys sometimes act daring in front of girls? Well, in this video, we're going to uncover the secrets together. What you're about to see in this video is highly confidential information. Not many guys out there know about it. We're going to reveal how to make a woman feel tempted to act daring in front of you. It's like playing the right cards, which will help you win over a woman with ease. Use this secret information with good intentions and be a responsible man. All right, let's dive in. Number 1, the power of validation. A girl won't hesitate to be daring, even making the first move, if it can boost her status in any way. Look at the current trends on social media. Guys tend to obsess over things like sexy photos or videos of girls. However, they don't know how to play the validation game well. For example, let me tell you about my friend Alan. Alan once dated a beautiful girl named Emily. After a few months, Alan felt there was no compatibility between him and Emily, so he decided to distance himself. But after that decision, something changed. When Alan firmly told Emily that he didn't want to see her anymore, Emily's attitude shifted drastically. She started acting more wild in front of Alan, even dared to ask to be intimate. This happened because Emily wasn't receiving the validation she wanted anymore. She became more desperate to get Alan's attention back. Number 2, biological and physical factors. Did you know? Girls are biologically wired with a strong desire for their partner. Every girl naturally wants to be impregnated by her partner. But the thing is, they won't just choose any random guy to fulfill that role. They'll look for the best genes, and this is part of their natural instincts. There are many factors that make a girl feel like you're the best choice to father her children, including physical strength, which we've discussed before. So, if you have a strong, tough, and muscular body, a girl won't hesitate to choose you as her partner. That's why exercising is important. Number 3, becoming a reliable man. Besides physical traits, there's another factor that's even more powerful, which is when you can become a reliable man. And this can only be achieved if you have a lot of skills. The more skills you master, the more dependable you'll be in a girl's eyes. For example, if you know how to fix a car, a girl won't worry about driving with you. Or if you have survival skills, she'll feel confident that she can rely on you if something bad happens during your vacation. The point is, as a man, you need to spend a lot of time learning new skills, whatever they may be. Self-defense, swimming, even cooking. Every skill is worth learning. If girls have their own tricks to attract guys by using their physical appearance, your trick can be mastering as many skills as possible. Girls will act more daring around you because they know you're a top-notch guy. Well, there you have it. 3 tricks to make girls being naughty in front of you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment your thoughts below. Watch the recommended video on the screen. Thanks for watching.